All right, so welcome back to Exit 45 Restorations, and this is where we're going to be today. I don't know if any of you guys know, back in the day, the Thunderbird had a lot of pretty cool options on it, and one of them is this rear vent. You can crack the windows open up the vents in the rear here, and it will let the air flow through the car. This is a pretty cool feature. However, they don't work. So we got to fix them. And that's what we're going to do today. So hang in there and let's get to it. All right, so we're going to get set up, but before we get set up to tear these down and rebuild them, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to my parents. So, hello, everybody say hey to my mom and dad, and my mom. And again, like we've talked about in the '69 Beetle restoration video, has Alzheimer's, and so we try to keep her with us as much as possible, doing things with us and being around and being active and out and about. So that's my mom, and she'll just enjoy this with you. So we're gonna get set up, and my dad's gonna go ahead and rebuild this for you, and I'll kind of talk through it with you as well when he's doing it. All right, so first thing he's doing is we're going to replace this cylinder or servo with this vacuum servo. Okay, and as you can see, what he's doing is that bracket, because the bracket that came with these, they don't actually make this All right, so what we're doing right now, we're tight, we're all hooked up. Loosen that. So we're going to loosen this nut right here. That'll allow us to adjust this door so it's fully closed.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and just hold that door nice and tight. Actually, hold it, loosen that again. Okay, and we're going to hold everything nice and tight, and he's going to tighten that up. There you go. And now you can see that we got it nice and tight. She closes up good, and there we go. So that's exactly what we're looking for. We had to play around with it for a little bit, but it worked. All right, I'm going to bring you along, and we're going to go for a little trip here inside the car, and we're going to make sure that these fit. All right, so you can kind of see the area here that they go in. There's the opening for that one, and then there's the opening for that one. So we're gonna slide this one in here. Sorry, we got vacuum dogs fighting me. Look at that. Fits right in there. All right. So it looks like we got it. We just, we got that one. So these are ready to be cleaned up. And the rubber seals are good on them. We're not going to mess with those because I can't get them anyways. So these are ready to be cleaned up good and boxed up. That was it. We got it done. We had to solve some problems on the way, but that's okay. Everything went really pretty smooth otherwise. So say goodbye, everybody. Bye.